Hello, good day. Karen Hall here, and I'm happy to share a travel hack with you that I've been using for at least 4 years, and I found it very helpful. But unfortunately, I couldn't find any really good review on it, so I decided to share my experiences on it because it may help somebody else. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Uh, These are called mason jars, ziploc, for want of a better term. That's what I call them. Uh, what I like about them, and I find they're very reliable and they're reusable. You got these here, they'll last you for quite a while. I think I've had these sets for at least 3 years. I don't think any, out of all I've bought, none has, I haven't had to throw away any in about 4 years. I soak them in a little bit of bleach, a light bleach water, uh, rinse them out, and put them to dry on a stick, and they're ready to use again. And they're useful for travel, short travel, long-term travel, and now I even use them in my everyday life because I found them so useful. As I said earlier, they come in a set, and you can see the set here. And before I go on, let me talk about a little bit about the elephant in the room. For those who are new to seeing me, yes, I have a congenital physical disability. And because it's from birth, I've been taught to be very efficient and self sufficient. Uh, the first one I'm going to talk about is the long one, and I'll share with you some of the things I put in it. Currently, it has a flash drive, actually, two flash drives in it, and some pens. But I also put in a reusable straw, a long handle plastic spoon, and other long light things. And the nice thing about it weighs nothing much. So it just takes the weight on of whatever you put in. So you don't have to contend with the weight of this plus what you put in. Moving on to the next size, which is this one. This one's my absolute favorite because it's wide enough. And one of the things I can show you too, is I could get out. You can set it down to stand up because it can go out like this, almost like a bottle. And then it can pull up back and put in your backpack or purse or whatever bag you're using, and it's flat again. Same thing with that one. This just like the one before. It has this uh, lock here, and once it's locked, nothing in it comes out. Once you can click it and it locks there, nothing comes out of it. I have some things here that can fall out, such as a little bit of change, uh, pins that I got from conferences I attended, and so on. And they're all in here. I can also see them. In my kitchen, I store things also in the sides, such as beans, uh, flowers like cornstarch, corn flour, etc. In this. And same thing, it stays. When I'm traveling, I put my mask in here. And if you notice, let me show you. It has the perfect length to hold your mask. I put a little sanitizer that has a clip on it. So I can only clip this on my bag, or I can put it inside of here. I can put a little mascara stick in there. And my absolute go-to when I'm traveling, uh, swimmer's earplug. It's better than the sponge ones I find. And I'll a review on this separately later. And my go-to hand towel. This here you wet it and it grows. It's a little magic. I, so all of that can fit inside of this one. This is my absolute favorite because so many things can fit in it. Uh, and I have these little rollers, perfume rollers, or essential oil rollers that also fit in there. And I'm putting them into, just give you an idea how many things can hold in there. And it still locks. So I have all those things in here and I can see them. And they lock nicely in there. The next size up, or down, I should say, is this one. And this one also you can put smaller things in. I put my rechargeable batteries in here. Uh, Extra batteries, a charger, the battery pack. They have the pencil type, the pen size type, and so on. Unfortunately, I didn't take those out to show you. And they can go in here as well. And same scenario, it locks at the top, so nothing falls out. I'm shaking vigorously, and it's not even coming out. My other favorite one is the small size. This one, you can put in jewelry, you can put in snacks. I have several snacks I put here. In this one, I have a little bit of coffee beans, roasted coffee beans. Um, but I put in little, I could put in crackers in here, little cut up fruits, all sorts of things I put in this one. Where they're sold. I found these on AliExpress. But the only thing about AliExpress, it takes long for things to come. So you may have to do a little waiting. And if you can wait, you can get them on AliExpress. You can get them fast on Amazon, but they're a little more expensive on Amazon. And the other advantage with Amazon, although it's more expensive, you get them faster and you can get them in any amount you decide. I think in AliExpress is a set pack that you get. But on Amazon, you can request, for example, a dozen of this one, 6 of this one, a dozen of each. So, and you go on like that. I did this review because I was looking to see if there was any reviews on them online, and I hardly found anything. I don't even think I found anything actually. So I decided to share my experiences. And remember, the comments, I'd like to hear if anybody uses these and what else you've used them for and how helpful you found them. And thank you again for watching. Welcome to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you. And if you're a returning person, thank you. Remember to share and subscribe and comment. I generally respond to comments within a day or so. Have a lovely day. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Karen Hall here. Bye.